What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. JP here. Just want to say thank you all for liking and subscribing and commenting to the content, because we are trying to get the word out to find you all free or discounted AI generation software, because we know how expensive things can get as content creators. So today I want to go over Canva and its AI suite called Magic Studio. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is open up some type of template. I just have a video template open just because I like a lot of space, and I'm going to be dragging and dropping a lot of images in here. Now, Magic Studio is awesome if you want to superimpose images one upon the other, if you need to layer images one behind another. You're going to see how useful this suite is. So the image that you're looking at right now, this is an AI generated photo, and all of the photos I'm going to be dragging in are AI generated. Okay, so here we go. An image of a dog. I'm going to drag in, and there's Charlie Brown. I'm going to drag in a palm tree. I'm going to drag a bus in also. So this is just a big hodgepodge of images right now. If you want to edit or use the AI generation suite Magic Studio on an image, all you have to do is click on the image and then press edit. So I'm going to click on this photo, and on the left side you'll see Magic Studio. It popped up on the left, and you can scroll through this and just see a couple of the options that Magic Studio offers. Magic Expand, right? Magic Edit, I can replace something with something else. You can grab text. Magic Grab, this has been amazing. And we're going to start with Magic Grab, okay? Magic Eraser, if you don't like something, it will erase that whatever, and then it will replace it with whatever the AI thinks should be there. Like if I wanted to erase one of these people, it would erase one of the people, and then it would replace it with the ocean and the sand in the background. And then background remover, that's self-explanatory. So we're going to do a Magic Grab. It brings it up into its own little studio environment. And let's say I want to take this guy right here, right? And now check this out. I could take all of them just by, I can push Shift, and then I can select everything that I want in this, but I'm gonna unselect everything. And come on, unselect. There we go. And then I'm just going to select this guy right here. Cool. All right, on the top left, you'll see where it says click and then brush. I'm going to click because right now it looks like it got it right. If I just wanted to brush in or choose something to grab, I could do that also. If I wanted to grab a tree or a plant or something in a different image, I can do that. And then I could actually take that and put it in here, but I'm not doing that. Grab. Okay, check this out, people. He is now separate from the rest of the group. Okay, it took the guy's hand too. All right, I'm just showing you, I'm just giving you an example of what it does. It does such a phenomenal job. I can definitely edit this out, but I'm not going to. All right, now he's missing an arm, but I could put something next to this dude. Let's take this palm tree. Let's go here. Okay, I'm here. I want to grab the palm tree, right? Let's edit, and then I'm going to do a Magic Grab, and then it opens up into its own little environment, and I just want to grab this one tree. I'm going to grab this tree. I just did this with a few of my photos with my family. I superimposed myself in photos that I was not in, and it was awesome. It looked incredible. All right, so I'm done with that. I grabbed the palm tree, and now the palm tree becomes independent. I love this. I love this. Okay, I'm going to make the palm tree bigger, and I'm going to put it right in front of this dude because his arm's missing. When in doubt, cover the mistake. All right, awesome. So that's good. And let's say I want these dogs on the beach too. All right, so I'm going to do, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you background remover. Let's do background remover. And these are pro features. And if you haven't signed up for an account, if you don't have one, you can try Canva for free for 30 days. So I would highly, highly recommend that you use the paid version even if you just need to use it for 30 days because it's so good. Okay, so it did it. It removed the background, which is outstanding. So now I'm going to move Charlie Brown out of the way. All right, CB, get out of there. So now the dogs are on the beach, and I can make them smaller. So this dude, I think I'm just going to get rid of this guy. Let's get rid of him. All right, we just deleted him. I just wanted to show you how that worked. All right, so let's go to the, we're going to delete the palm trees. I don't need the palm tree. We're going to move the palm tree down a little bit in front of, I'm just literally putting it right in front of the guy. I want to block him. Keep the pretty girls are visible. That's fine. Okay, so the bus. I'm going to put a bus on the beach. Let's edit this, and we're going to go to Magic Grab. And I probably could just do a background eraser on this, but I'm just showing you how Magic Grab works. So I'm clicking on the bus, and I'm grabbing the bus. It did a decent job of removing the bus. Okay, now we have a bus, people, on the beach. And I'm not, this is not going to work, but that's okay. This is what I was talking about before. Check this out. I'm going to put the bus behind the people. Ready? Because they are now separate layers. I don't think these people are separate layers. Those two people back there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make them separate layers. The girls back here. If I want to put the bus behind the people, I need to separate the people from the image. So Magic Grab. There we go. See, this dude is missing an arm. Pay no attention to the man without an arm. Actually, all three have to be lifted out. We're going to make them independent. Guys are going to love this. They're lifted out. The dogs are now behind them. So I'm going to layer, bring to front. I want the dogs in front. And now the bus, I want, look at, my gosh. Outstanding. Okay. We're going to put the bus in the ocean. Isn't that awesome? So I layered everything. Everything is independent. These layers, the people, the dogs, the tree, and the bus are all independent, so I can layer them. Cool. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to insert Charlie Brown. Okay, now the bus is behind everyone. Let's put Charlie Brown up here, guys. Charlie Brown is behind everyone. We're going to do, you know what? We need to do just a Magic Grab, because when I did a background erase before, it kept the grass. I don't want the grass. So let's edit this. Edit this image. We're going to do Magic Grab. And I just want to click Charlie Brown. I'm going to try brushing this now. All right. Let's brush. Good. So we got Charlie Brown. And I don't know if it's going to do it because it took some of Snoopy's nose. It did it. It did it. But I forgot I didn't brush his feet. But did you see how awesome that brush tool worked? The brush. Because I did grab some of Snoopy's nose and some of the yellow. And the AI software did an awesome job. So I'm going to put Charlie Brown right. I obviously have to delete the yellow. Okay. Okay. So there's Charlie Brown. Again, everyone, this is just a tutorial. I know the image did not come out ideal. My purpose was just to show you the functionality of Magic Studio in Canva. I encourage you, if you haven't, to go ahead and try Canva the Pro. Try it for a month and then cancel it if it's not as useful as you thought. If you're a teacher, you can get it for free. So I will leave the links in the description below to Canva and then Canva EDU if you're a teacher. I will also leave some links to other AI generation software that I use that I find very, very useful. One is to create shorts, and another one is to create videos from images. So again, thank you so much for liking and subscribing and commenting. I've had some awesome conversations with some of you. I encourage you to keep doing so, and I will see you all on the next video.